Hi all. In this Canvas Studio tutorial, we'll be taking a quick look at collections and keeping your library organized. So we're here in a Canvas portal. I am going to use my global menu bar here in Canvas. I'm going to locate my studio icon. It is the second icon up from the bottom, and click that. This brings us into the Canvas Studio, and Canvas Studio is a library of sorts. So you can see it says My Library up here. So I have a variety of different videos and collections. The way this works is that you have your content in My Library, and you can either have videos like this teacher introduction video and this CSS sunrise animation video and this exploring Canvas. You can see they're time stamped, so those are actually videos. And then Canvas Studio Series, Canvas Tutorial Series, and APCSA are all collections. They don't have a timestamp there. Collections can be thought of as like folders in order for you to file things in, and so that's the real organizational method. I'll point out you can sort by date added or by name. If I click name, it alphabetizes my collections and my videos. I can click view all, I can view just my collections, or I can view just my videos. So those are some important filters that you can use inside your library. And this is probably one of the most important buttons when you're ready to start to organize into collections. So if I wanted to start a new collection, I could put in, I have for instance a video that belongs in my app development class, and so my collection here could be class specific. So I'm going to choose app development and click create. Notice there's nothing here in it, right? I'm in, and you can look at the breadcrumb navigation in the upper left. I'm now in my library / app development collection, and I have nothing here. So I can click the add video button here, and I can either pull stuff in from my local computer, or I can paste in a YouTube, and it'll help me catalog and keep track of YouTube videos. It doesn't actually pull the video in, but it sort of tracks the video. We're going to go back to my library, and we're going to locate this video. Oh, let me find it. Here we go. My CSS Cascading Style Sheet Sunrise Animation. And if I click the option menu, the three little marshmallows here, I can click Move To. And I'm going to click Move To, and I can select now a collection. And it belongs here in my app development collection. So I'll click this, and there we go. Okay, so here you can see now this is an app development collection. One of the things you'll note is that it's taken my CSS video and it's kind of put a thumbnail into the collection. And over here with the Canvas tutorial series, you'll notice that there are some thumbnails there. So it's one way to help you distinguish between a collection and a video. The most obvious sign is the timestamp here, so teacher introduction. So that's kind of a brief overview of collections. And as you start to accumulate more and more videos, you'll find that you need to stay organized. So use collections in order to stay organized in a way that makes sense for you. Thanks for your time and attention, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.